Hey guys, this is Canon PIXMA TR7650. I'm going to show you how to scan document from this printer to your computer. This printer and laptop are connected together via USB cable. This is the USB cable here. And if you look on the printer, you select Wi-Fi network, it will show you that the Wi-Fi is disabled and the wireless direct is disabled. So this printer and laptop are connected via USB cable. Now I want to show you how to scan document to this computer. To scan your document, open up the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Close the scanner. So you need to download Windows Scanner. Open up Windows Scanner. So you need to scroll down and make sure you select the correct printer. So TR7700 series, fax and copy. Then you select source. So you have feeder and flat bell scanner. Select flat bell scanner. Then document type, select PDF. Scroll down from the list and select PDF. Then the next thing you need to do, you can also select show more. If you select show more, you select color. If you want to scan this black and white or grayscale, then you select. And also resolution, the maximum, you scroll down to select the resolution. The maximum is showing us 600, but it's currently in 300 default. You select where you want this file to be saved. You want this file to be saved in the downloads. So select download. Select folder. The next thing you need to do is select scan. Now the document is scanning. Now you select view. So select view. This is the document we scanned. This is the document we scanned. Now if you want to scan another document, for instance, you open up the scanner, remove this document, and stick the second document you want to scan. Close it. Then go back to window. Select scan. Then you select view or close. So this is the second document we scanned using USB cable, and this is the first one. Now to print this document out, you select Ctrl P or you select the printer icon on top. So you select Ctrl P, then scroll down from the list and select the printer. Make sure the printer is ready. And the printer is ready. You wait for the document to be ready. And this is the document you want to print out. Then you select print on one side and select print. Here we go. This document is now printing. Here we go. So this is the document we scanned and printed this out. If you want to change the color, we printed this out color. If you select the printer icon or Ctrl P, if you select Ctrl P, then you make sure the printer is ready. Go to the left side and select the printer. Make sure it's ready. And this printer is ready. Then you select print. And now this document is printing. If you want to cancel it, you select cancel. So this document is canceled. If you press this button, you will cancel the job. So I want us to print this document black and white instead of color. So if you select Ctrl P, then you scroll down and change the color to black and white, then select Print. There we go. This is the document we scanned and printed it out black and white. The first one we printed it out colored. If you want to send this document to somebody, go to your email, open up your email. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to select new. Select new. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to type the email address of the person you want to send this document to. Once you type the email address of the person, then you select Insert. Select Insert, then select Attach File. Browse this computer. Then you go to wherever you save this document. This document we scan, we saved it in the downloads. Then select, we see the document scanned 1 and 2. So you select Attach particular one. Click it, open, select Attach File. Now this document is attached to my inbox. You type hi. If you want to send, type hi, the message, type the subject hi. Now select Send. The document is sent to my inbox. So this is how to scan your document from Canon PIXMA TR7650 to your computer via USB cable. Also print it out. Likewise, share this document to somebody. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a massive favor. Like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.